Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Animal and Facts channel. Today, we're going to be talking about bats. Bats are the only mammals that can fly, and they're incredibly fascinating creatures. They play an important role in our ecosystem, and they're also really cool to look at. In this video, we're going to be talking about all sorts of things related to bats. We'll talk about their biology, their behavior, and their role in the environment. We'll also talk about some of the myths and misconceptions about bats. So, if you're interested in learning more about these amazing creatures, then stick around. Biology. Bats are mammals, which means they have fur, they give birth to live young, and they nurse their young with milk. There are over 1,400 species of bats, and they come in all shapes and sizes. The smallest bat is the bumblebee bat, which weighs just 2 grams. The largest bat is the giant flying fox, which has a wingspan of up to 1.5 meters. Bats have a number of adaptations that allow them to fly. Their wings are made of a membrane of skin that stretches between their elongated fingers. They also have a special bone structure that allows them to maneuver in the air. Behavior. Bats are nocturnal animals, which means they are active at night. They use echolocation to find their way around and to hunt for prey. Echolocation is a process of sending out high-pitched sounds and listening for the echoes that come back. Bats can use echolocation to create a detailed map of their surroundings. Bats are carnivores, and they eat a variety of insects, fruit, and nectar. Some bats even eat fish, frogs, and small mammals. Role in the environment. Bats play an important role in our ecosystem. They help to control insect populations, and they also pollinate plants. Bats are also a source of food for other animals, such as snakes, owls, and hawks. Myths and misconceptions. There are a lot of myths and misconceptions about bats. One common myth is that bats are blind. This is not true. Bats can see, but they rely on echolocation to navigate and hunt. Another common myth is that bats are dangerous. This is also not true. Bats are not aggressive animals, and they are not a threat to humans. In fact, bats are actually very beneficial to humans. They help to control insect populations, which can spread diseases. They also pollinate plants, which helps to produce food. So, those are just a few things you need to know about bats. These amazing creatures are an important part of our ecosystem, and they deserve our respect. If you're interested in learning more about bats, there are a number of resources available. You can check out your local library or bookstore, or you can search for information online. What do you think about bats? Are you fascinated by them, or do they creep you out? Let me know in the comments below. I'd also love to hear your suggestions for future videos. What would you like to learn more about? Let me know in the comments. Thanks.